Hello, my name is George Hanslin, and I'm here to have it. I have had a training with Joe, my first training session. The training went very well. Joe was able to explain to me and demonstrate to me how to get a placement. Surprisingly, I had my doubts in the beginning, but surprisingly, we were able to have a placement in our first vacancy call. It was a good experience. I now have a belief that recruitment startup consultancy will be able to help me to achieve my future goals. And my future goals are to leave a legacy for my children. This is my goal, and I'm sure I'm going to achieve this with the help of Recruitment Startup Consultancy. It's a brilliant company. They have time for you, they listen to you, they answer your questions, and it gives you a lot of confidence about what they can do, and it makes you believe in yourself that you can really achieve with this agency.